Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create canned responses within the Jira Service Management. So the canned responses are like the templates that you can actually use when you need to answer basically in the same type of a structure, but you don't want to use the automation rules or something like that. So I'm going to show you how it works. First, I'm actually within my queue in here. I'm gonna click on this request right here. And when I go down, I have the options to actually either to reply to the customer or add the internal note. Now, over here, you're going to see canned responses. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be creating a new one. Now, we have two types. So one is going to be the personal and another one is going to be shared. And when you actually hover over, it's saying all agents in this service space will actually be able to see this canned response. So I'm going to say for this shared for all, and now in here I can insert my response in here. You can actually see that this is basically like a wiki styled rendered field, and in here we also have the options to enter some variables. Basically these variables are presented as the smart values, and you have for the current user, work item assignee, work item key, work item reporter, and so on and so forth. So I can be saying like, hi team, and I can be, or wait, instead of this, I can say the hi current user, all customers are required to go through the portal. And from here, I can insert the portal URL. Now what happens in here is when I create this, I have this option in here, and when I'm inserting this as the response, it's going to say hi, and it's going to be the current user in here. So basically it's going to be myself, but you can use this, you can use a different variable of course. All customers are required to go through the portal itself, and then it actually gives the URL in here. Now, of course, we also have the option to go this with the internal notes. Now, as you can see from here, I have two of them because I was using one to actually be, to be a personal one. So if you want, you can actually use the personal one, and I can type in here personal. Now, I can insert maybe like a code snippet, I can insert a quote, a link, numbered, bulleted list, and stuff like that. Now, there are more things in here. So for example, I can be like, yes, requires some attention. And I can be like, the issue assignee should take a look at it, for example, of course. And when I'm actually done with all of this, I can even say for the response itself, I can say something like procedure, and from here I can be like, okay, what needs to be done, and so on and so forth. So it can be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 1, 2, and everything else. And I click on create, and what happens is I send the response, and that's it. Now, since there is no assignee in here, basically no one is actually there. But this is actually really something that you can use within your Jira Service Management to actually really save time in in repetitive responses that actually come around, and you want to handle those repetitive responses in a different kind of a way. And that's how you can actually use these canned responses. Basically, that's all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel as well, and that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.